Hello, in this video I will demonstrate you the functional flow of our module UAE E-Invoicing. In UAE the government has implemented some e-invoicing rules, and all of the UAE businesses need to follow those e-invoicing rules, and if they won't follow it, then they will be charged with heavy penalties. So this module will help you to send your invoice, credit note, refund, bill to the government using ASP. So after installing our module, you need to go to accounting, configuration, and there you will be able to see these three options: configuration, e-invoicing, documents, and logs. So in configuration, you need to create one configuration, and there you need to register your company. As soon as the company has been successfully registered, you need to activate your webhook URL from here. After activating those webhook URL, you need to test your connection, and after the successful completion of testing, you can enable all these features. So we have provided this invoice automation feature. So here, auto send invoice on payment, this functionality will automatically send your invoice as soon as the payment is created without any manual operation. This auto send invoice is one schedule action which you can set the time accordingly, and that according to that time the invoice will be sent automatically if there are any new invoices in the system. And auto retrieve failed, this is also one schedule action which will run automatically, and it will try to send the invoices whose status is failed. Then we have provided participant management details, so you can update the details or delete the details of the participant that you have registered, and from here you can delete the webhook which you have created. These two options are enabled to show the QR code in the invoice in Odoo and in the report that you have downloaded. Now going to customer and invoices, I will create a new invoice. As soon as I confirm the invoice, I will be able to see this button, submit document to FTA. So clicking on this button, you will be able to see the invoicing status, that is, it is under process, and we have provided the button over here to view the status of the invoice. So you can view the status of this invoice. Also, if you scan the QR code over here which we have provided, so after scanning the QR code you will be able to see the details of the invoice, like the document number, the status, and all other details related to that invoice. Now you can see the status of this invoice has been completed. Now if you create the credit note and reverse the payment and confirm the credit note, so the same thing, like you can send the credit note as well, and the status of that credit note will also be seen here. Also you can scan the QR code and see the details of the credit note. Then in the invoices list view, if you select multiple invoices at a time and go to actions, then we have provided this option, bulk submit document. Like from here in the list view, you can send all the documents all together to FDA without sending it one by one. Also, if I open one invoice and download the PDF provided by the government, then in this PDF also I will be able to see the QR code which is present in the Odoo's invoice. So this was the functionality of our module UAE E-Invoicing. Thank you.